Number 67 and 68.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68.
Write the number. Goldilocks and the Three Bears.
There once was a family of 3 bears: Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and Baby Bear. They lived in the middle of a forest. Every day they sat down and had breakfast of hot porridge. One sunny summer morning, Mama Bear spooned the porridge into their 3 bowls. They tasted the porridge and they noticed that the porridge is still very hot, so they decided to go for a walk until their hot breakfast cooled. A little girl named Goldilocks was out walking in the woods that day and was feeling hungry. She saw the bear's house and knocked on the door, but there was no answer, so she let herself in and saw the porridge and gobbled it all up. After she had eaten, she wanted to rest and saw 3 chairs and found herself fitted on the wee little chair. As she sat down so hard, the chair broke into pieces. Then she was very tired, went upstairs and found 3 beds. She lay down on the wee little bed and fell asleep. When the 3 bears returned home from their walk, they noticed that things were not quite right. They saw their bowls of porridge were empty, the wee little chair was broken, and when they went upstairs, they saw somebody is sleeping on the wee little bed. Since they created a noise, Goldilocks woke up and jumped out of the window and ran off as fast as she could, and the bears never saw Goldilocks again.
Number 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Trace and write the number name. Read and trace. Fig. Dig. Pig. Wig. Big. Sig. Jig. Rig. Mig. Musical instruments. Tambourine. Harmonium. Tabla. Vina. Xylophone. Accordion. Bugle. Mandoline. Drum. Piano. Sitar. Doluk. Guitar. Violin. Flute. Small to big number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Help the boy climb up the staircase from down to up by writing numbers from 0 to 5. Introduction, up and down. Circle, the person who is up. People who help me in school. Teacher. Helper. School bus drive. Security guard. Sweeper. Tick the picture of people who help you at school. Backward, counting 10 to 0. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Backward counting. Button sticking. Underwater creature tortoise. Take different colored and sized button and stick them according to the shape of the tortoise to form the hard shell of the tortoise. Number 69, 70.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70.
Write the number. Read and trace. Sim. Rim. Him. Mix. Dim. 6. Big to small number. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Help the boy climb down the stairs. Counting rhyme.
1, 2, 3, here's little me. Counting on my fingers, he. 4, 5, 6, this one sticks. Getting in a muddle now, getting in a fix. No need to worry now, no need to whine. Here comes 10, trying not to giggle. Put them all together now and give them a wiggle. This one here is number 10. Put them all down and start counting again.